Bhardiyar Namam Valge. Bhardiyar Namam. Thank you. Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Dr. Rajkumar Bharti, great grandson of Mahakavi Bharti ji, K. Ravi, founder, Ranville Culture Center, Chennai, Dr. Sudha ji, chairperson of committee of Bharti 100, Professor Gurmeet Singh ji, Vice Chancellor of Pondicherry Central University, Ranganathan ji, the President of Delhi Tamil Sangam, and all the distinguished guests on the dais, all the sisters and brothers, fellow members of the media fraternity, and all others watching this event on the digital platforms. A very good evening to all of you. I feel honored to be a part of this esteemed gathering of these functions to commemorate the 100th Mahakavi Subramanian Bhartiya Memorial Days as part of the ongoing celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. As Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav marks the 75th year of independence journey, it is time for self-reflection on how as a nation we have travelled as per the ideals laid down by our forefathers. The nation has a golden history of many personalities, and Mahakavi Subramanian Bharti was one of the distinguished gems among them that has awakened the conscience of the nations. His actions and deeds have compelled the masses to reflect on themselves and bring out their unbounded potential for liberating Ma Bharti from the British region. The life and deeds of Mahakavi Subramanian Bharti, popularly remembered as Bhartiya, has left an indelible imprint on heart and minds of all of us. His multi-dimensional personality as a Tamil poet, philosopher, social reformer, freedom fighter, journalist, thinker, and advocate of women empowerment, has touched upon the social, cultural, economic, nationalistic aspect of millions of Indians. He advises through his writings, language is instrumental in making one's mind broad and receptive. Apart from Tamil language, he had mastered English, Sanskrit and other several Indian and European languages of the highest order. His timeless wisdom, patriotism, poetry has enhanced the echo of the freedom struggle of India. His patriotic poems aroused the spirit of unity among the masses during the independence journey. He has a transformational impact not only on the Tamil society but also on the entire human society. Bhartiya's 30 songs, unity of voices of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Adi Shankaracharya, and many more. His Kannan Pattu is an impeccable manifestation of emotion of an Indian mind. As the in charge of Pondicherry Assembly election 2021, I was fortunate to learn more about the rich Tamil culture and the learning about the Mahakavi Bhartiya. I also visited the Bhartiya's house. On Sunday 12th September 2021, I visited Bharatiya Memorial House in Chennai and joined the program of launching Shepu Moji Pagi Netu, a musical presentation of Bharati's immortal one-liners in Tamil and other 18 languages. As a Minister of State for Culture, I feel that Bharatiya was also an impactful promoter of culture. His message was clear that the family was the powerful unit to protect and promote Indian culture. He visited all across India and other foreign nations and propagate Indian culture. Particularly, he visited Kashi and Kolkata. Kashi, I think he remained 4 years there. On this auspicious occasion of today's celebrations, I would like to recite the famous line that exhibits the necessity for social harmony and equality. Jadigal Illiyadi Papa. It was a famous quote. There is no higher and there is no lower in the society. This is the message. Jadigal Illiyadi Papa. Kullam Talchi, Uyachi, Sunal, Pavam, Nidhi Nindra Nidhi Kallavi, Amba Neriyan Udiyar Valgal, Malura, Bharat Makkal Amba Udiyar Valgal, Bharviyar Shonand, Bharat Makkal Amba Udiyar Valgal. That is the message. He taught that the lesson of equality by advocating that there should not be difference based on caste and creed. To speak on higher and lower caste is a sin. It means he is talking about the equality. And he was very much a promoter of the liberty also. Then equality, liberty and fraternity, the soul of our constitutions. At that time he was talking. That was the great spirit of Bharatiya. People who follow the path of justice and wisdom are filled with the love and heart, and they are really the higher persons. In other famous lines, he explained the greatness of the Bharat Mata. Bharat annin kalyal vilan, idai parth bhardiya, valyar galle, Meed Kovam Kondar, Pirak Bharviyar, Bharat Annin Pandap, Singhavagani Udan Vetri, Tilgat Udan, Bharat Mata, Tilgan Bharat. It was a great thought of Bharatiya. Bharati was angry to see the British government sacrificially portraying Bharati Mata in sackless like a chained prisoner. Then he, in turn, portrayed Bharat Mata seated on a lion with the tilak, a symbol of victory of her forehead. That was the thought. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has envisaged the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, prepared the blueprint of the India at 2047, the year we will be celebrating the 100th year of independence. Let us pledge that in our individualistic and collective spirit, we take initiatives and change our lifestyle in accordance with the growth trajectory of the nations. Bharatiya's philosophy and optimism will continue to inspire the future generations to scale new heights of the nations. On this centenary celebrations today, let us pay tribute by connecting to the ideas of the great soul Bharatiyas. My compliments to Bharat Mata Mohan, he is from Chennai, Rajaji, K. Ravi, founder, Honorable Culture Center, Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts, Ministry of Culture and the entire team for putting the event together and making it possible for all of us to come together on this special occasions. With these words, I once again thank all the dignitaries who have assembled here at this important juncture. I hope that the learning of Bharatiya and adopting them in granular form in whatever work we are doing will be able to give him the fittest tribute on the Centenary Memorial Day. My best wishes. to all of you. Vande Mataram Yengal. Vande Mataram Yengal. Yengal Malin Tai Van Udum Yenbo. Vande Mataram Yengal. Mega Nandri. Thank you.